How to recover your Telegram account using your desktop. So first of all, you have to download the Telegram app on your PC. And once you have done that, if you have lost your phone but you somehow still have access to the SIM card, this is how you can recover your account. First, you can use your phone number to log in, like here, and just enter your number. Once you have entered your number, you can just click on next, and a verification code will be sent to your phone number, and you just enter the code. Once you enter your code, you will be logged into your Telegram. So once you have logged in, you will have to make sure that no one else is using your account. So to do that, you have to check all of the active sessions. So just tap on the three dots at the top left here and go to settings. After you open settings, go to privacy and security and scroll down until you find your active sessions. So under privacy and security, tap on this active sessions, and here you can see there is one other sessions that is on my phone. So if you have any other sessions included that is not yours, you can terminate all other sessions and secure your account this way. And that's how you can recover your Telegram using desktop. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.